Round Rock Honey has been in business for 20 years. We are a 100% family-owned local business. We pay more attention to detail than any other honey company in the state. We own the hives, we own the equipment. We control all the quality stops along the way. Everything having to do with the honey gets the kind of attention that we believe our customers deserve. On our label, we don't have anything ambiguous. It says fresh, raw, local. Raw means that the honey is never filtered and it's never heated above the normal outside ambient temperature on a Texas summer day. And then local means that the majority of our hives are within Central Texas. About 750,000 people go through our beekeeping class, and among them have been some people that have gone on to make worldwide impact in terms of beekeeping. And that was our goal the whole time, was to raise more beekeepers. We want to encourage other people to keep bees themselves, to make their own honey, and to learn about how to do all that. I chose Round Rock because they're very pro-business. The city has this idea of let's get out of the way of entrepreneurs and let them be and do what they can do best. As an example of how easy it is to work with the city of Round Rock, we approached the city and said, we want to join this program called Bee City USA. First of all, I got a response within a matter of minutes from multiple members of the city council. And then the city of Round Rock goes so far as to market it to the community. It was received in an overwhelmingly positive way, and it was good for everyone. The city is perfectly balanced. There's a good number of parks, there's outstanding new and perpetually updated infrastructure, there's a very solid business environment, good relationships. You just feel like there's a sense of trust. And for me, as a business owner, that's extremely important. Round Rock rocks because they support great businesses.